Oh, hey, what's up, man? How are you? Guys, what's up? I'm Justin Marc. Welcome. Come in. Guys, right now, I'm in Bali, Indonesia. Just hanging out in my villa. Guys, what I like to do is I like to travel. I like to party. I like to meet beautiful people, cute girls, good times. Come on in, let's have a chat. So guys, I'm gonna tell you guys in this video how I personally proved my parents wrong and became successful, my version of success, and to be honest, a lot of people's version of success. And we're gonna chat and we're gonna dig deep a bit, come on. So, have a seat. So right now, I am in my villa in Indonesia, and I wanna talk to you guys about how your life, your goals right now may not be what you think is gonna be making you successful. A lot of people, they are under the impression that to be successful, you need to go to school, get a job, go to university, get married, and then retire with your retirement savings account and the 401k and all that good stuff. Guys, I'm gonna explain to you in this video exactly how you can prove your parents wrong, become successful, and live a life beyond it. Adrian, what you doing, bro?
I'm putting my Instagram in.
Oh, shit.
Why?
Yeah, why?
Because
why would you put your Instagram in a random girl's phone?
Why would you do that?
What's the purpose of doing
why
that?
are you? What's the point of
she's
getting on
very
Instagram?
beautiful, look
Oh,
at
that makes sense. Are you guys gonna make babies? Say again.
toilets. Just
Let's go to the gym.
I'm shy, guys.
Hey, what's
What's up? Larissa, what are you wearing?
I have no idea.
Okay, it looks very sexy. All right, guys, so my name is Justin Marc. I'm an international dating coach and relationship expert, and I also do tons of other things. I'm an author. I am a VIP nightlife host, which means I get paid to bring rich guys to the club to spend lots of money and hot chicks to come party with celebrities. So it's an interesting lifestyle and an interesting experience, and I do all kinds of shit from travel the world full time, film YouTube content, run a few businesses, and I also teach guys how to overcome their social anxiety, become confident version of themselves. Now, guys, I'm gonna explain to you my story, a little bit about me and my upbringing. So, growing up, first of all, I didn't have a lot of money. I was super fucking broke, like beyond broke, to the point I had ripped shoes, people make fun of me, people bully me for being poor, right? And then on top of that, I had crippling social anxiety. I've always been the smallest guy in the class, I was like the smallest guy in the schoolyard, so I would get picked on, bullied, and it was just really fucking shit growing up, okay? And when I decided to take things to my own hands, I came across a community, a school of thought of guys who want to go out and practice social skills, practice meeting people. And I started learning the material, started practicing it extensively to the point where I became extremely good, and people twice my age were like, hey, can you coach me? And now I am a coach. I coach business, I coach social skills, lifestyle development, dating, everything from making money to becoming a successful version of yourself. And I get to do it while working on my laptop, traveling around the world full time. It is so freaking amazing. So I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly how you can build a similar lifestyle, prove your parents wrong, because if you're anything like me, your parents wanted you to go to school, get a job, for 40 or 50K a year and have benefits, so that way you can have health insurance and all that fun stuff. And I never wanted that, dude. I never liked that. Right now I'm sitting in a villa, it's 40 degrees. Right now in Canada, all my friends back home, it's minus 20. So I'm here like minutes from the ocean, and all my friends back home are like freezing their asses off. And it's really interesting how when you apply these principles and material, you will live such a successful life. So there's a few things to prove your parents wrong. You need to have goals. So that's the main thing. A lot of people, they don't want to go to university or college, and I got a bachelor's degree in business management, okay? But a lot of people don't want to go to university or get a job just to make their parents happy, to become a fucking doctor or an engineer, just because that's what your mother told you would make you happy and successful. It's a fool's dream. It's not gonna make you happy. A lot of guys are under the impression that if they just go make a lot of money, a lot of women will be attracted to you. Well, that's also not how it works. You need to learn social skills and dating. And so I'm gonna explain to you right now 3 steps on how you can become successful and prove your parents wrong, okay? So understand this. First of all, you need to have realistic expectations of what you want. So if you want to get lots of hot girls, girlfriends, dates, beautiful women in your life, you need to be realistic about it. And it would be dumb if you were, first of all, if your family is conservative, if you come from an upbringing where it would not be accepted for you to talk to girls or be social or do things that are outside of the social norm of that kind of experience and culture. Dude, keep your goals to yourself. So have goals, but keep them to yourself. So if you want to go out and meet beautiful women all the time, that's a you thing. That's between you and yourself. Keep that to yourself. Don't talk about it. Don't share it. You. Just you, okay? And same with starting a business. A lot of guys are really scared to start a business because, you know, it will take up time, it'll put them off of what they're already doing currently, and it'll just, you know, be a distraction from their studies or their work or whatever it is. Well, you know what? Again, what you should do is work on it extensively, nonstop, privately, until you are successful with it, until you are crushing it. And then you should also find friends who support you in those goals. Set friends outside of your current circle that support you, because you become the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with. So if you want to achieve a goal, if you want to travel the world, if you want to run a business, if you want to meet beautiful girls everywhere you go, you need to surround yourself with people who are similar. Okay, and number 2, I mentioned you don't want to keep it private. Well, you don't want to talk about, you know, these goals until you are successful. And then when you are successful, you can almost like use that to inspire others. So for example, for me personally, my parents didn't like me going out talking to girls. They didn't know, I kept it a secret. And when they found my YouTube channel, they kicked me out of the house. But now I've got a really great relationship with my family. My dad is like my best friend. My brother is like one of my other best friends. I love my mom, my sister. We're such fucking close family. It's beautiful to see, right? And they have so much respect for me as a man. When, you know, a few years ago, they saw me as the problem child. They were like, our son coming out as what a lot of people call me as a pickup artist. They saw me coming as a pickup artist, and they're like, I wish my son was just gay. Like, my mom literally like would have been happier if I was gay than being a fuckboy, right? Well, my mom loves and supports what I do now because, you know, I've been so successful at it. It helps so many people. And, you know, we're teaching all these amazing skills that help you change your life, okay? So I want you guys to realize that once you are successful, after you got a track record of proven results, then you can essentially bring that forward and say, well, hey family, hey mom, hey dad, hey whoever it was, whether it's like a teacher growing up who told you you're never gonna be successful, you can actually bring that forward and say, well, what now, right? And what's really cool about that is when you are successful, you won't even care about proving anyone wrong. You just focus on you and what you're doing, your goals, and your future. So guys, it's really interesting where if you want to prove your parents wrong and show them, tell them, make them experience that, you know, they were wrong. We were wrong about our child. Well, it's really not that hard to do. You just need to make sure you take massive action towards your goals, whatever those goals are. The reason I say be private about it, because imagine this. Imagine you're sharing all these goals, like, you know, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna be this famous, successful person, I'm gonna be this extremely amazing entrepreneur or whatever, right? And then you don't achieve your goals. And guys, sorry, I'm fucking sweating. It's so hot here. I didn't expect it to be so hot when we got back to our villa. It was really hot today, and it's just so crazy when I think back to mom and dad right now are in Toronto, Canada, freezing their asses off. I'm out here about to die of heat stroke. So it's so interesting how, you know, when you talk about goals, if you don't have a track record of achieving your goals and you talk about goals, people aren't going to be able to support you or believe in you. And they're going to tell you you're being dumb, and it's going to only like make it harder for you to achieve these goals. It is very, very, very important that you take massive action and write down your goals. Write them down. I want you to write down your goals right now. I want you to figure out what you want to achieve, what you want to be, who you want to be, what you want to have life. And I want you to write down those goals right now. You're going to pause this video, pause right now, write them down. And I mean, I'm hoping you actually pause the video and write down your goals just now. If you didn't, go write them down. I want you to write down your goals for the next year. Figure out what they are. And, you know, dude, they could be big goals, man. For me, it's shit that like I couldn't even imagine achieving a few years ago. But since I have such a track record now of achieving success, where, you know, I mean, all my friends are millionaires or fucking famous people, or, you know, all the girls I meet are like super hot models and shit. It's just so crazy when I think about it. Where a few years ago, I couldn't imagine a life like this. Well, you can achieve anything you want to achieve. If you really put your mind to it, if you really want it bad enough, and you really take massive action towards it. You just got to work on it every single day. And honestly, I'll be honest with you, that's going to prove everything to you, to everyone around you, more than anything. So guys, my name is Justin Marc. I am an international dating coach, relationship expert, author, a VIP nightlife host. I do all kinds of shit. I coach business, I coach dating, I coach social skills. I want you guys to message me on Instagram. Let's keep in touch. Be my Instagram friend, and let's keep in touch and get to know each other one-on-one. I just wanted to explain to you guys how you can actually go on to live a successful life instead of living a mediocre, average life and achieve anything beyond your dreams. I want you guys to realize you can literally do fucking anything. Today we're on the street. I meet this girl who's an actress with 1 million YouTube followers, 700,000 on Instagram, and she's on Netflix. So it's really crazy. And she wanted to be my friend. She liked my vibe in person. I want to be my friend. Right after that, I met this beautiful woman who wanted to hook up with me on the spot, and I was like, sorry, love, got to film some content. So guys, I want you to realize you can literally do anything. If a 5'4", 150-pound Indian, 115, not 150, 115-pound short Indian guy can have a successful dating life, a successful social life, build a business, and just crush it, travel the world full time. You can do anything you set your fucking mind to. So guys, my name is Justin Marc. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to follow me on Instagram and chat with me on Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon.